Welcome to Day 7 of our 30-day masterclass. Today, we complete Series 1 by mastering premium versus discount dealing ranges. Would you buy a luxury car at full retail price right before a seasonal 50% sale? Then why do you keep buying stocks at premium prices? Smart money never buys expensive or sells cheap. They calculate structural dealing ranges using Fibonacci levels. To find your range, anchor your Fibonacci tool from the major swing low to the major swing high of the current impulse move. The 50% level represents equilibrium, fair value. Anything above 50% is a premium zone, anything below is a discount zone. Rule 1. Only look for buy setups when price retraces deep into the discount zone, ideally tapping an institutional fair value gap. Rule 2. Only look for short setups when price rallies high into the premium zone. This guarantees maximum risk-to-reward efficiency. Eliminate emotion completely. If price isn't in a discount, you don't buy. If it's not in premium, you don't sell.
Congratulations on finishing Series 1. Join us tomorrow as we launch Series 2 on confluence and multi-factor filtering.